Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, Branch County in southwestern Michigan, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Union City to near Bronson to 8 miles east of Sturgis, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, Fire Department reported power lines down in Sturgis near 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coldwater, Bronson, Quincy, Union City, Ray, Girard, Kinderhook, Fawn River, Batavia, Leonidas, California, Mendon, Baroque, Gilead, Sherwood, East Gilead, Fairfax, South Butler, and Marble Lake. This includes Interstate 69 in Michigan between mile markers 1 and 21. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.